Prove that sin theta to the power 6 plus cos theta to the power 6 is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. So here LHS is sin theta to the power 6 plus cos theta to the power 6. This can be written as sin theta square whole cube plus cos theta square whole cube, and a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. We know that this is 1, so 1 cube is 1. This also gives the value 1. So this is our RHS. So the question is, an observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. The angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from her eyes is 45 degree. What is the height of the chimney? So let us draw its diagram. If we can draw the diagram, then we can find the answer. So let us draw. Let CD and AB be the observer and the chimney. Here we draw CE perpendicular to AB, then CEBD is a rectangle, then CE is 28.5 meter. Now in a right triangle AEC, you can see we have to find AE, so we may apply tan 45 degree because we have given base and perpendicular. So tan 45 degree is equal to AE by EC. Here tan 45 degree is 1, AE EC is 28.5 meter. This implies that AE is equal to 28.5 meter. Now the height of the chimney. This is equal to AB, and AB is equal to AE plus BE. AE is 28.5 meter and B is 1.5 meter. This is 30 meter. You can see AB as AE plus BE. So next question is, from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10 meter tall building is 30 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flag staff from P is 45 degree. Find the length of the flag staff and the distance of the building from the point P. Use root 3 is equal to 1.732. So firstly, let us draw the diagram. Solution. Let CA and AB be the flag staff and the building. Let AC is equal to H meter and PB is equal to x meter. We have to find the length of the flag staff and the distance of the building from the point P. So we have to find two variables. We have to construct two equations. So now in right triangle PBC, we have to apply tan rule because we have theta 45 degree. We have to find BP, which is x meter. This is h meter. So we can write BC by BP as tan 45. BC is h plus 10. BP is x, which is tan 45 degree. We know that this is 1. From here we have h plus 10 is equal to x, right? So this is equation 1. We have the value of x here. Now we take another triangle. In right triangle ABP, AB means 10 by BP means x is equal to tan 30 degree. This implies that we know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3. From here we have x is equal to tan root 3. The value of root 3 is given 1.732. This is 17.32. We have the value of x. Now from 1, h plus 10 is equal to x implies that h is equal to x minus 10. So 17.32 minus 10, this is 7.32. Hence the length of the flag staff is 7.32 meter and the distance of the building from the point P, this is equal to 17.32 meter. Now next question. The shadow of the tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So firstly let us draw its diagram. Now solution. Let AB be the tower and BC and BD be its shadow when sun's altitude is 30 degree and BC the shadow when sun's altitude is 60 degree. We have to find the height of the tower. Let AB is equal to h meter. Now in also BC is equal to x meter. in right triangle, this is x meter, this is h meter. So now in right triangle ABC, h by x is equal to tan 60 degree. Here h and x are perpendicular on base. This is the angle theta, so we have to take tan theta. From here tan 60 is root 3. We have the value of x. X is h by root 3. We place x here, then root 3 on the place of x. Therefore x is equal to h by root 3. Again in right triangle ABD, we have find here x because we have to find h. So in ABD we can write h by x plus 40 is equal to tan 30 degree. X plus 40 tan 30, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. We can write the value of x here. X is h by root 3 plus 40 is equal to 1 by root 3. From here after cross multiplication we have root 3h is equal to h by root 3 plus 40. Now this can be written as h plus 40 root 3 by root 3. From here after cross multiplication root 3h into root 3 is equal to 3h is equal to h plus 40 root 3. From here we can write 3h minus h is equal to 40 root 3. This implies that 3h minus h is equal to 40 root 3. This implies 2h is equal to 40 root 3. This implies h 40 root 3 by 2, 20 root 3. Hence the height of the tower is 20 root 3 meter. The angles of depression of the top and the bottom of an 8 meter tall building from the top of a multi-storage building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storage building and the distance between the two buildings. So let us draw the diagram. Solution. Let AB and CD be the building and the multi-storage building. Draw AE perpendicular to CD. Then we see that FC is parallel to AE. Now see, FC is parallel to AE and CA is transversal. So angle CAE is equal to angle FCA. Region alternate interior angles. This is 30 degree. Also FC is parallel to BD. So angle FCB. So angle CBD. Angle CBD is equal to angle FCB, alternate interior angles. So FCA is 30 degree and FCB is 45 degree. We have to find the height of the multi-storied building CD and the distance between the two buildings means BD. So let us suppose C as h meter and BD as x meter. Then in right triangle CDB, we have CD by BD. This is h meter, this is x meter. That is h plus 8 by x is equal to tan 45 degree. We know that this is equal to 1. So we have an equation here. The value of x as h plus 8. This is equation 1. Now we take another triangle, triangle CEA. Then we write h by x. This also becomes x meter because this is a rectangle. So h by x is equal to tan 30 degree. In right triangle CEA, h by x is equal to tan 30 degree. This is equal to 1 by root 3. From here we have x is equal to h root 3. From equation 1, x is equal to h plus 8. This implies that h into root 3 minus 1. I have transferred h to that side and taken common. From here we have h is equal to 8 by root 3 minus 1. Now we rationalize. So we have 8 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. See student, we must bring the denominator rational and positive. So making the denominator rational, we have to rationalize the fraction. So we have 8 into root 3 plus 1 by 2. This is equal to 4 into root 3 plus 1. From 1, x is equal to h plus 8. Four into root 3 plus 1 plus 8. So we have 4 root 3 plus 4 plus 8. So we have 4 root 3 plus 12. Taking 4 common, we have root 3 plus 3. Hence the height of the multi-storied building is we have h plus 8. So 4 into root 3 plus 1 plus 8 meter. This gives us 4 into 3 plus root 3 meter. and the distance between the two buildings is 4 into root 3 plus 3 meter.